Hey, hello my friends. This is your boy JP, aka Gordito, for obvious reasons. Behind the camera is my wife recording La Flaca. Welcome to our channel. Today, let me tell you a little bit something about what we're gonna do. Got this Volant cold air intake system. My 02 Silverado with 107 original 1,000 miles, original everything. I only done a couple modifications, and I'll show you real quick. First of all, I did a 2-4 drop. Not taquache, cuz none low, simple, light. We got some 22s. It's a little bit dirty because we had a tornado the other day, but don't mind that. We'll clean them. We'll make a video. Let me know you want to make a video about that. Some 22 Denali's on this like smoke grayish type wheels. Because everybody has the black, everybody has the aluminum. I want something a little bit different. And this is my first official horsepower mod. I know people say there's discussions out there that these don't work, but for me personally, they do. And I'm gonna show you how to install it today. And this is what came in the box. You see this? I'm excited for this. Volant cold air intake. Here's your box. Here's a filter. I gotta take these screws out to take the filter. Here's your tube. Here's your little grommet. I don't know what to call it, but we'll figure it out. Got some hose clamps and everything else you need to put it on. Let's look how the stock one looks. What is this? Manuals? You don't need that. So this is the old one. Pretty stock motor. I'm telling you, I haven't done anything to it. We're obviously gonna unclap it from here, unbolt it from here, and all this is gonna go out. But first, let's get a before. And oh yeah, I forgot another mod. There's a muffler tip out there. First, let's disconnect this negative. Because if you don't disconnect the negative, when you turn the truck on, it might throw a check engine light. It might do something finicky. So you basically disconnect the negative so it can relearn the new system you're about to put on. So first, let's do that. 15 mil. Boom. Oh. So now a regular flathead will work for this, or you could use the hex, which I think might be like an 8 or 9. But I'm gonna just use a regular flathead to bust out this clamp, and this clamp. So let's do that real quick. Okay, that's loose. So this one next. This other one. And while we're here, let's disconnect this mass floor sensor off. So this clip right here, all you gotta do is get your flat hand right underneath there, pop it off. It should pop up like this. You can see it's not as dirty here, so you know it's popped off. And then you just press down right here. Boom, disconnected. So by loosening this, all you do is give it a good tug right here. It should pop off just like that. You see your old hose clamp right here. You can take that off, because the kit comes with the new one. You don't need this. Now let's start tugging on this side. Let's see if this comes off. But wait, there's a little clip right here. Let's get a flathead and just like that. Let's start trying to wiggle this out. Simple as that. And you see, this is why you don't want this. What the hell is that? And for this, all I did was kind of just give it a good jerk up. Bah! You hear it clip off. You have these little clips. All you do is just pop them off real quick. And now you gotta get this battery tray, or this looks like a battery tray, but this little tray, it's gotta go. So this is a 10 mil. I am using a regular ratchet extension 10 mil. I do have a bunch of tools, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm just lazy. So we'll use this. And it's gonna be a total of 4. I tell you guys, I got everything I need. I'm just lazy. See, look, it's my work van. Oh yeah, much better. I tried to pull it, man, but it wouldn't come out. Then look. Hiding from me. Let's get that one out too. And now the tray should just come straight off. Now my wife, my beautiful wife, Flaquita, trying to help me out. Take off all these 4 screws so you can take off this filter. And there she goes. There's that part too. Damn guys, I almost forgot. Use the mass airflow sensor off the old box. Let's try to take that out. Here coming. There it is. Be careful with them. So we took out the old gasket, and I put the new gasket on this side, and this it's gonna go right here inside the box, just like that. Now you grab your other gasket and you try to line it up the same way. You don't use none of the old gaskets, you use nothing but new ones. So we got 3 Allen screws for your 3 holes. Boom, boom, boom. Over here 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You just gotta line it up and make sure you be careful because you don't want to mess up those gaskets. And it helps if you use a little Allen key. There's one. Going through. Uh-oh. A little something like this. Make sure you use an Allen key. Don't use any power tools. Just don't need that much torque. Just enough. 2 of the gaskets grab, make a good seal, and you're good to go. Just how the inside looks. Make sure it's facing that way. That's the right way. Got a little bit of problem, but we got it done. Bolt these 2 down. Right here, my hose wasn't lining up, so I just drilled the hole out. Got a bolt and a nut. Torqued it down. Ain't going nowhere. You're gonna put this on this side. This is where it's gonna meet up right here. So this is basically the gasket. So you should start maneuvering around the 2. So now we put this sleeve right on this side. You got this. Then we start putting the correct hose. Start putting the correct hose clamps where they need to go. Missing 2 here. And now, sort of do this number right here. Sort of start slipping it over the throttle body. Make sure it goes. Once you finagle it in here, start tightening on the clamp with a 6mm. This one, and that one. See, this one's a little bit more. There she goes. Move your clamp. You just start tightening them down. Now is a filter time. Same thing. Just sort of just put it in there. Start closing up the clamp. Volant gives you these 3 different colors, and obviously we're going to choose red because the truck's red, but it goes right here, so when you take off this, it looks red. We'll show you in a minute. Final touches. The helper looks pretty sick. Make sure you connect your negative. Got your sounds. Don't forget the sensor. Now this 5, and then let's go for our test run. Overall, you can feel the difference a little bit. Better throttle response. You can really hear it sucking now. I like it. Not too bad. Alright everybody, we're not perfect. It's our first video. Let us know what we did wrong. Subscribe, like always. Y como siempre, primo. Písale.